Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alissa Capron and I post a new cleaning video every Tuesday. Today I'm going to be cleaning my very dirty laundry room, and it's been a few months, probably since the last time I made a YouTube video in here that I've cleaned, but I was really excited to clean it today because I actually like bigger messes better. I think they're more satisfying to clean. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I didn't actually know where to start with this room because it was such a disaster, but I decided to start by clearing everything off of the floor. Sometimes I think the hardest part about cleaning is just starting or knowing where to begin. While I was cleaning this room, I thought it was a good idea to do some laundry, so I'm switching over this load of towels into the dryer, and pretty soon you'll see me put in a new load of towels. And I have two loads of towels because one is bath towels and the other is towels I've used to clean with, and I don't like to mix my cleaning towels in with any of my other laundry just because they have chemicals and who knows what on them from cleaning. Along with these towels, I'm putting in these two bathroom rugs, and then I'll also be putting in my shower curtain liner. I always wash my shower curtain liners in the washer with towels, and it works really well. I don't use the hottest setting. I usually just use one less than the hottest setting. I don't know if this actually matters, but since it's plastic, that's what I like to do. I've explained the masking tape on the side of the washer before, but it's just there to hold the door open without it swinging all the way open when we're not using the washer so that the washer can air out. Otherwise, they can start to smell. To clean the outside of my toilet today, I'll be using Lysol and then letting that sit for a few minutes to disinfect before I wipe it down. I don't usually wear gloves, but it just seemed necessary for this because this toilet hasn't been cleaned in who knows how long. spraying down my shower with the Method Antibac bathroom spray, and then I'll be letting that sit while I start to clean the trash cans. Cleaning the trash cans is not a step I would normally do, but they just seemed like they needed it. So I put Dawn dish soap in them, and then I filled them up with water and let them sit for a minute. To clean the shower walls today, I'm using a Dishwand, and all I have in it is just regular dish soap.
You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had.
Now that the trash cans had been soaking a while, I decided to use the same dish wand to clean out the inside because there was dryer lint that was stuck to the inside of the trash can, and I did end up throwing this dish sponge away after I finished.
You're the best.
finally done cleaning in the shower, and here is what it looks like. Now I'm moving on to cleaning off the tops of the washer and the dryer, and I'll be using my Lysol spray. The top of these, they don't get really dirty, but they do get really dusty. Now I'm attempting to vacuum some dust off of this ledge. However, you can see it's not working very well. The dust was just like stuck onto the wall. So I got a paper towel and just kind of rubbed it around, and you'll see it kind of lifts the dust up, and then I was able to vacuum up the larger pieces of dust. Now moving on to the sink, and I was actually really excited about cleaning this part of the room because I knew the transformation was going to be dramatic. So I just started by clearing everything off of the sink countertop, and then to finish I wiped everything down. To clean this mirror, I'm using the Grove Mirror and Glass Spray. And the last thing that I have to do to clean this room is to clean the floors. Whenever I'm cleaning, I always like to leave the floors for last, mostly because any type of countertop, or in this case even the dryer and washer, I just knock everything onto the floor and then sweep or vacuum it up later. To keep the trash cans from getting dirty, I like to use grocery bags or Target bags as trash can liners, and this works really well.